Every chef aims for perfection when creating a dish, but perfection in cooking and baking requires the coming together of form and texture, beauty and substance. A blend of aromas, colours and flavours which transform a dish into a masterpiece. To achieve this perfection, two things are essential: the creative flair of a great chef and equipment as great as he is. When talking about chill blasting, having the right equipment means it can offer quality, versatility, control, convenience, hygiene, cleanliness, food preservation and good looks. Every chef knows that what these words convey is not always easy to achieve. Work pace, unpredictable situations, and above all, the equipment on hand doesn't always allow the chef the perfection that he aspires to, especially in the intermediate stage between the preparation of the dish and the serving of it to the client. Thanks to Friulinox's Zeta line, it's now possible to turn these aims into reality and obtain perfect results in the shortest possible time. Friulinox's Zeta line allows the most serious chef to be in control of his creation through each stage of its conservation, with programs designed to accommodate the varying properties of different foods. Friulinox's Zeta line also allows complete flexibility in managing each stage of the chill blasting process. Quality. Certain dishes require specific care and attention, which isn't always possible for the chef to control personally. Take filleted fish, for example. With program 63 on the menu, you'll be able to effectively retain the quality of your fish and be sure that you're serving the client a product which is fresh and tasty, even when you are too busy to have freshly prepared it. With Zeta line, you can keep a certain amount in the refrigerator compartments and work with peace of mind. What about pre-cooked pasta? The client is often very demanding and wants his pasta brought to the table immediately, and this always happens when you are at your busiest. There isn't always the time to freshly cook pasta, and so having a certain amount of ready pre-cooked pasta is crucial. This is very risky from a quality point of view. From now on, however, all you have to do is simply key in program 52 on the Zeta line menu, and you'll always be able to serve your client a product which is excellent to eat, saving on time without compromising on quality. Attention to quality has economic implications too, because Zeta line reduces mass loss in your food, and this means a reduction in costs. Versatility. Every dish is different and has its own characteristics. It's essential for a chef to be able to have a tool which is able to recognize the individual requirements of various dishes and handle them in a way which gets the most out of them. This adaptability to the specific properties of each dish is what an informed and expert chef needs from his blast chiller. And this is one of the revolutionary features of Zeta line. Zeta line is equipped with a menu for a wide variety of cooking and baking products. 67 pre-loaded functions, which have been prepared by Friulinox's best chefs, and 32 more vacant function spaces, which can be easily programmed on the control panel on the door. The 67 pre-loaded functions allow you to increase your efficiency and mass-produce a large range of different foods, while being in constant control of the quality. The 32 vacant spaces allow you to customize the chill blasting process according to the type of dish you're preparing, allowing you the versatility of creating it in your own unique way and making it unmistakably yours. This menu is a vital instrument because it speeds up the process, always maintaining the high quality of your dishes. It adapts the blast chill according to the type of dish. It allows the chef to be creative and to prepare his dishes in his own unique and personal way. Control. You have just finished preparing your fruit mousse, and place it in the blast chiller. Every now and then, you would like to have a look inside to check on the consistency and appearance. But you know that by opening the door, you'd interrupt the chill cycle. This would compromise the quality of the dish. Zetaline has eliminated this problem. Key in Program 11 on the preloaded menu, place your fruit mousse into the chiller, and you can check on it whenever you wish to, without opening the door. Zetaline is equipped with a glass door with a light. You have the situation constantly under control and can avoid unnecessary thermal dispersion and refrigeration power reduction in the blast chiller. Convenience. Another innovation on a structural level is a result of widespread feedback conveyed to our researchers, something which may seem insignificant, but which makes working with the appliance simpler and more convenient. The Zetaline control panel is no longer at the bottom, but at eye level. Undoubtedly, another inconvenience in the kitchen has been eliminated. Now, with Zetaline, programming your machine and setting the chill blasting cycle has become much quicker and simpler. Zetaline by Friulinox has paid attention to details which make your job easier. Hygiene. HAPPC is more than just a system of stringent principles. It's a school of thought, a philosophy shared by all the finest chefs. Now with Zetaline and a simple and intuitive software package, it's possible for you to monitor every phase of the chilling process, pick up any possible problems, and intervene without delay, always keeping your food HACCP compliant. The components with which Zetaline has been fitted make it a real thinking machine, able to isolate potential problems associated with prepared food hygiene. Cleanliness. The final task is cleaning the blast chiller. Many chefs confirm that this is one of the more problematic stages. Grime often gets into places which are impossible to get to, causing an accumulation of bacteria. In time, these deposits may compromise food quality and the optimum functioning of the mechanical components. The washing system, using FriulWash detergents specifically prepared for Friulinox, cleans out all the grime, even from the most unreachable places. Zetaline enables you to maintain the high standards of quality and functionality of the chill blaster for many years to come. And Zetaline also saves you time and money by doing a job which would have taken one or more people to do. Food preservation. Every chef knows how critical it is to maintain the same characteristics of freshness and appearance in dishes which, because of obvious time constraints in the kitchen, need to be prepared a few days ahead of time. For example, let's take sauces and purees, which are usually prepared some time before they're actually used. With Program 60 on the menu, your sauce will undergo a gradual cycle of chilling so that when you eventually need it, it will have retained its organoleptic qualities and its characteristics of freshness, as if it had just been prepared. Good looks. On speaking with some of the most renowned chefs, it emerged that in recent years there has been a trend towards the aesthetic features of kitchen fittings. The kitchen doesn't merely have to be a place to get a job done, but should be pleasing to the eye and designed in a way which makes working in it a comfortable and pleasant experience. Zetaline was designed with these requirements in mind, and over and above its efficiency and functionality, it is an elegant piece of furniture. Zetaline is a chill blaster which saves you time and money. Zetaline means working with more peace of mind and less of a responsibility. Zetaline means saving time without compromising the quality of your creations. Zetaline is a tool which allows you to plan efficiently. With Zetaline, you can think big while still paying great attention to detail. Zetaline, all that you need. Rosetta. Now you can.